Hello friends, in my previous video I have shown you how to design a staircase. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch it from the link given in the description of this video. So let us discuss how to calculate quantity of concrete in staircase. To calculate quantity of concrete in staircase, let us divide the staircase in 4 components. Number 1, waste slab. Number 2, steps. Number 3, landing area. And number 4, handrail concrete. So let us calculate volume of concrete in waste slab. Here in this picture you can see this inclined slab is called as waste slab. We know the width and thickness of this waste slab. The width is 1.2 meter and thickness is 0.15 meter. What we don't know is length of waste slab. To find out length of waste slab, we have to use Pythagoras formula. You can see in this picture this is the triangle. And in this triangle, we know the dimensions of two sides. This length is 3 meter and floor to floor height is 3 meter. Hence for one flight, the height shall be 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5 meter. So the Pythagoras formula is hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Here the hypotenuse is length of slab and opposite is 1.5 meter and adjacent is 3 meter. So hypotenuse is equal to under root opposite square plus adjacent square, means under root 1.5 square plus 3 square is equal to 3.35 meter. If we separate waste slab from staircase, then it will look like this. The length is 3.35 meter, width is 1.2 meter and thickness of slab is 0.15 meter. So quantity of concrete in waste slab is equal to length into width into thickness is equal to 3.35 into 1.2 into 0.15 is equal to 0.603 cubic meter. You can see in this picture there are two number of waste slabs. Hence total volume of concrete in waste slab is equal to 2 into 0.603 is equal to 1.206 cubic meter. Now let us calculate volume of concrete in steps. Width of tread is 0.3 meter, height of riser is 0.15 meter and length of tread is 1.2 meter. If you see the image here, you can see steps are in triangular shape. Volume of triangle, that is step, is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height into depth. Volume of one step is equal to 0.5 into 0.3 into 0.15 into 1.2 is equal to 0.027 cubic meter. Now number of steps in one flight are 10. So number of steps for two flights is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Total volume of concrete required for steps is equal to 0.027 into 20 is equal to 0.54 cubic meter. Now let us calculate volume of concrete in landing. You can see in this picture, landing is in the shape of rectangle. The volume of concrete required for landing is equal to area of rectangle into depth. It means length into breadth into depth is equal to 2.5 into 1.2 into 0.15 is equal to 0.45 cubic meter. If handrail is made in concrete, then we can calculate the volume of concrete in handrail. You can see in this picture, the handrail is in the shape of rectangle. Therefore, the volume of concrete required for handrail is equal to area of rectangle into depth. It means length into breadth into depth. Here the length is 3.35 meter, which is hypotenuse, which we have calculated here. The thickness of handrail concrete wall is 0.1 meter and height is 0.8 meter. So 3.35 into 0.1 into 0.8 is equal to 0.268 cubic meter. Here the number of handrails are 2. So total concrete volume required for handrail is equal to 2 into 0.268 is equal to 0.536 cubic meter. Now total concrete required for construction of above staircase is equal to waste slab concrete volume plus steps concrete volume plus landing concrete volume plus handrail concrete volume. It means 1.206 plus 0.54 plus 0.45 plus 0.536 is equal to 2.732 cubic meter. So total volume of concrete in staircase is equal to 2.732 cubic meter. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.